In this tutorial, let's create this amazing glow transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Alright, so I will go in the effects and drag and drop an adjustment clip. I will come on the cut point 5 frames forward and 5 frames backward from the cut point, and I will cut the adjustment clip. Okay, so I will select the adjustment clip and go in the color tab. Alright, so we are in the color tab. I will select the node, go in the effects and type glow. I will drag and drop this effect on the node. Okay, alright, so I will come in the settings and decrease the shine threshold to somewhat 180. Okay, and I will slightly increase the spread. I think this much is enough. So I will come in the edit tab. Alright, so in inspector I will come in composite and change the composite mode to screen. Okay, so one last thing, I will select the clip and drag these handles in the center to create fade in and fade out effect. This is the simple glow transition you can create in DaVinci Resolve. Add this amazing transition in your videos. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.